Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, in what's a major breakthrough as far as lenders are concerned, sources tell CNBC-TV18 that banks have completed the transfer of 12,000 crores rupees in stressed loans belonging to Jaiprakash Associates. Ritu joins in with more details.
Well, in what is a landmark resolution for banks nearly a decade in the making, we understand banks have concluded the transfer of stressed loans belonging to Jaiprakash Associates to the National Asset Reconstruction Company, or NARCL, and against a principal outstanding amount of 14,500 crores, these 25 banks led by State Bank of India and ICICI Bank get 12,000 crores from NARCL. Of course, the total outstanding debt for JP, including all of the overdue interest, penalties, etc., is well over 52,000 crore rupees. Now, the deal follows a 1585 structure, meaning 15% upfront cash, which is about 1,800 crores, and the rest in the form of security receipts. But importantly, this will reflect in the bank's balance sheets in the current quarter itself. Among the key lenders, SBI alone has recovered about 500 crores in cash and another 840 crores in security receipts. ICICI Bank has received 270 crores in cash, another 1,550 crores in security receipts, and IDBI Bank, Axis Bank, LIC and Canara have also secured recoveries through the transaction, among others. Now, while most of the banks did agree to the transfer, Yes Bank and DBS Bank, with very small exposures, we understand, opted not to participate in the sale. But importantly, even though banks have now transferred this exposure to NARCL, the resolution of the company will continue under the IBC. We understand the deadline for submission of expressions of interest has now been extended to the 25th of March, and the ultimate recovery through the security receipts will be dependent on this resolution. Nonetheless, a significant development for banks in the case of JP Associates, which has been an NPA since 2016 and at the center of one of India's most protracted corporate debt struggles.
Thank you, Ritu, for that. By the way, markets are slipping. Now sub 22,350. A level to watch will be intraday low of yesterday, 22,314. That was the low the markets hit yesterday, and whether we can hold on to that level. For now, things are looking weak. Benchmark indices down over 0.5%, mid-cap index down 1.5%, nearly 1,800 stocks declining. IT continues to remain under pressure, but Reliance Industries too has dipped into the red. It's a wrap on Trading Hour. Thank you for watching.